Mason? Sir, are you stuck? That didn't take you very long. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. We cut this guy. Can we... Do you think we can bend it? I don't know. What do you think? You think you can get out, Mason? Nope. Just gotta trust me, okay, buddy? Alright, Mason. I think you just gotta trust yourself to get out of there now. And I'll get the rest of that out of the way, okay? Good boy. Good boy. Go get something to drink. I bet you're thirsty. Alright, we got it out of there. There's a bigger hole, but don't get stuck. I hope.